Ever pondered over the process of booting a pen drive using the command prompt in Windows? It's a handy skill to have, especially if you're a tech enthusiast. Today, we're going to demystify this process, breaking it down into simple, easy-to-follow steps. Step 1. Plug your pen drive into your computer. Make sure your system detects it. If it doesn't, try plugging it into a different USB port. Step 2. Open the command prompt. You can do this by searching for CMD in the Start menu. Right-click on the command prompt option and choose Run as Administrator. This opens up the command prompt window. Step 3. Type DiskPart in the command prompt and hit Enter. You'll see a new window open up. This is the DiskPart utility, which allows you to manage your disks and partitions. Step 4. Type listdisk in the DiskPart window and hit Enter. You'll see a list of all the disks connected to your computer. Look for your pen drive on this list. It's usually the disk with the smallest capacity. Step 5. Select your pen drive by typing Select Disk X, where X is the number of your pen drive on the list. Hit Enter to confirm your selection. Step 6. Clean the pen drive by typing Clean and hitting Enter. This removes all the data from the pen drive, so make sure you've backed up any important files before you do this. Step 7. Create a bootable partition on the pen drive. Type Create Partition Primary and hit Enter. This creates a primary partition on the pen drive. Step 8. Select the partition you just created by typing Select Partition 1 and hitting Enter. Step 9. Make the partition active by typing Active and hitting Enter. This tells your computer that it can boot from this partition. Step 10. Format the partition. Type Format F's =NTFS quick and hit Enter. This formats the partition with the NTFS file system, which is necessary for booting. Step 11. Copy the boot files to the pen drive. You can do this by typing xcopy y per s/e per fxi, where y is the drive letter of your Windows installation disk and x is the drive letter of your pen drive. To summarize, the process involves plugging in your pen drive, opening the command prompt, using the DiskPart utility to manage your disks, selecting and cleaning your pen drive, creating a bootable partition, making the partition active, formatting the partition, and finally, copying the boot files to the pen drive. And voila! You've just booted a pen drive using the command prompt in Windows. It might seem daunting at first, but with a little practice, it becomes second nature. It's a nifty trick to have up your sleeve, and it's sure to impress your tech-savvy friends.